Unlock your property's potential on Airbnb with UpperKey. Whether you are the owner of a property you are considering renting out for short-term rentals, or you're just fascinated by the sharing economy, this is your video. Airbnb has undoubtedly revolutionized the way we travel and stay away from home. It provides a platform for hosts just like you to offer unique spaces to travelers seeking that home away from home experience. But becoming a successful Airbnb host is a bit like juggling. It takes skill, practice, and the ability to simultaneously manage multiple tasks. Now you might be wondering, what are some top factors that play into your success as an Airbnb host? Well, one of the first things you'll need to consider is your pricing strategy. Determining how much to charge your guests isn't just about setting a high price tag. It's more like a balancing act, understanding market trends, checking out what your competitors are up to, and appreciating your property's unique value. Remember, the right price can attract more bookings and maximize your income. Now let's focus on the importance of communication with your guests. Have you ever heard that communication is key? Well, this holds particularly true when it comes to Airbnb hosting. Your guests aren't just looking for a place to crash. They're looking for an experience, and that starts with you. Engaging with your guests professionally and promptly can make their stay more memorable. Next up, we must think about property presentation. You know the saying, first impressions count? Well, they really do. When a potential guest stumbles upon your listing, the photos, cleanliness, amenities, reviews, and the overall vibe can make or break their decision to book. So pay attention to details, make it appealing, and ensure everything's in top shape for each new arrival. And speaking of keeping things in top shape, let's talk maintenance. This might seem like a no-brainer, but keeping your property well-maintained isn't just about ensuring everything's working. It's also about showing your guests you care about their comfort and satisfaction. Moreover, regular maintenance mitigates the likelihood of unexpected issues for both you and your guests. It is also crucial to be prepared for emergencies. They're unpredictable, sometimes a headache, but ultimately, they're an inevitable part of life. You'll need to be equipped to handle any situation, from a guest canceling at the last minute to dealing with a pipe that decides to burst at 2 a.m. But you know what's fascinating? The magic of Airbnb isn't just in providing a platform for hosts and guests to connect. It's about creating a global community where people from different walks of life can share experiences and stories. It's about giving travelers a taste of local culture and life, something a traditional hotel accommodations might lack. And for hosts, it's about sharing a piece of their world with others. Opening your doors offers more than just a place to sleep. This isn't just property renting. It's about creating connections and memories that guests will cherish long after their stay. That's the real beauty of Airbnb, and you're at the heart of it all as a host. We understand that managing all these elements can be daunting, but the good news is, you don't have to navigate it alone. This is where we step in. We're UpperKey, your professional Airbnb management service. We oversee all these aspects and more to ensure your Airbnb hosting journey is both rewarding and stress-free. We optimize your Airbnb pricing strategy, handle guest communications, manage property presentation, maintenance, and take care of any emergencies that might pop up. Our goal? To help you make the most of your Airbnb hosting experience, maximize your rental income, and give you some peace of mind. So are you prepared to maximize your property's potential? To transform your space into a thriving hub for satisfied travelers? If so, connect with us at UpperKey. Let's embark on your successful Airbnb journey together.